गोवा बोर्डाच्या धावेच्यो परीक्षा 2 एप्रिल ते 22 एप्रिल मेरेन चलतले. अंदूच्या धावेच्या परीक्षेक चले 9,822 जाल्यार चलयो 9,949 मेळून वट्ट 19,771 विद्यार्थी आसात, अशी माहिती गोंय माध्यमीक आनी उच्च माध्यमीक शिक्षण मंडळाचो अध्यक्ष सावंतान दिल्या.
SSC examination will start from 2nd April 2020 and will get over on 22nd April 2020. Now for SSC, total number of students are appearing. Total number of students is 19,771, out of which 9,822 are boys and 9,949 are girls. So this is regarding SSC.
When are examination starting of SSC?
SSC exam starts from 2nd April 2020 and will get over on 22nd April.
How many centers in
Altogether there are 28 centers all over Goa, and we are also sending very soon the hall tickets as well as the students list to the schools. Now the one change we have made this year, earlier the schools used to come here personally to collect the hall tickets and the students list, but this year they are supposed to download the hall tickets as well as the students list from our website.